Hey guys, Mr. Lloyd here, working with you on video 1 for April 22nd. And the paper we're working on today looks like this. It's day 3 of 3 out of your packet here. And we can ignore the green writing in ink there. You don't have to worry about that. That's from yesterday's work. What we're looking at here is everything below the day 3 heading. So again, these papers have a lot of instruction on them. There's a lot of information on here for you guys as students. I'm not going to go back and reread each one of these lines. That's probably a little tedious, probably not what you wanted to watch this video for, but I will show you how to solve some of these problems, or all of these problems, excuse me. Problem number 1 here, we're just asked, this is a quick little review, what is 98% of 700 cats? So they set up a proportion for you. All we do here is solve it, and I just solved it right here. I just did 98 over 100. We cross multiply, so we get 100 times n equals 100 n, and 100 n equals 68,600. 68,600 is what you get when you multiply 798. And then we just divide 68,600. We divide that by 100 here to find that n equals 686. So 686 is 98% of 700. That's how we would answer that question. The rest of this page here doesn't ask us to find any solutions on this particular page, so I'm going to click it over to my next page here, and we're going to come down to part 11 here. Actually, I can't answer part 11 until I show you the right paper here. So part 11 here, we need to take a look at this page to find the answers to that last page. And you'll see when you're working on this will make more sense once you're working on it. So here we've got in the middle of the page, we've got one of these situations where 4 different people chose 4 different paths to solve this problem. And the problem is we've got Appling School has 300 students and 45 of them have the flu. Baldwin has 500 students and 55 of them have the flu. So on these 4 problems, what we're trying to figure out is the percent of students at Appling School who have the flu. So we can ignore Baldwin for now. We're just looking at 300 students and 45 of that 300 have the flu. So how do we turn this into a percent? Well, Alex chose this method. F percent is 45 over 300, and we went ahead and solved it, and we found that F equals 15. Okay, Jordan chose F over 100 times 300 equals 45. So F over 100 equals 45 divided by 300. So here we're just using inverse operations. Our goal is to get F by itself. And we work our way through each line, and we find that F equals 15. Okay. Aaliyah chose a factor puzzle. So I say, well, what times what equals 100? What 2 factors multiply together to find 100? It's 101 in this case. And what factors then multiply by 100 to get 300 must be 3. And here, 3 times what equals 45 must be 15. So then 1 times 15 gives me 15. So we're getting 15 every single answer. We're just choosing different methods to solve it. Kind of everyone's brain is different, so there's lots of different ways we solve math problems. And then Rachel, she just goes through 1%. In other words, she kind of finds how much 1% is and then works her way backwards through that. So 300 students is 100%. 300 divided by 100 equals 3. So then that tells her that 3 equals 1%. 3 students equal 1%. 45 divided by 3 is 15. So 45 is 15 groups of 3, and 15 times 1% is 15%. So pretty simple, just kind of working our way through. And then here's a little double number line also to help you visualize what Rachel is doing. Okay, to find the percent of students who have the flu at Baldwin School, I set up a factor puzzle. We're using 2 methods. One of my methods was factor puzzle here, and I found that out of 55 students at Baldwin School, they had a total number of students of 500. That equals 11%. Okay, I'm going to pause this video. I'll continue this problem on the next video. Thank you for watching.